Good morning, traders. This is Trader Cisco with EurUsd.com. Just giving an update to a video that I placed earlier this week in regards to the euro dollar, specifically on the daily chart. In that prior video, we drew the Fibonacci levels between the low that we had on June 7th and the high that we had on May 10th. Uh, those levels are still in play, and I think they're very valid. If you notice, one of the things that I'd mentioned in that previous video was the fact that if we was to get an open above 1.2628 on the daily, we would be definitely getting the confirmation that we need that we're going to continue in a bullish move. Now, with the GMT daily close, we did not get that open above 1.2628. Actually, the open was 1.2625. However, a few hours later, when the New York close occurred, we did clearly get an open above it on that daily charting. So some people use either GMT or the New York just to validate. We did have that open, and I think we're clearly seeing that we're getting this move up. Now, a couple of the reasons why I feel strongly about that. We have an inverse head and shoulders formation here, and we're breaking through that line now that's showing that we're breaking out of this pattern. We also, again, as mentioned, we have this Fibonacci, and we are breaking through clearly through the 618 level, which is at 1.2628. Uh, I also look at moving averages. I don't necessarily trade off of them, but to me, this is also confirmation here, this moving average cross. That's a third indicator to me that we're definitely showing ourselves to be moving in a very bullish pattern. Now, where do I think we could continue to go? Well, there is a few levels that get my attention. Obviously, this level right here is an important level. You'll see that this candle come up to a high of 28.56, and this candle here come down and close fairly close to the same level. So the 28.60 area, I think, is a pretty important level to keep in mind. There's also one other level that garners a lot of attention to me, and that's this small daily candle that we had right here. This area right around 3300, 1.3300, I think is a pretty important level that could also come into play. Of course, the 123.6 Fibonacci level is always important. You'll also see here that we had some candles right in that area that gives that level even more validity right there at the 1.3400. And then this moving average line that we have here, let's see, are we still in the video? Yeah, we just are in the video. This 200 moving average line at the 3530 area is also another, could be valid targets. Now, again, I do believe that this shows that we're going to continue in this bullish pattern. Trichet just finished speaking, and he did not say anything explosive that caused any weakness in the euro. So it looks like we may be following this pattern now for the next week or so to come. Hope this information is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please send me an email. That's Scott at EurUsd.com. That's EUODOO trading.com, and I also will respond to any comments that are left in the YouTube channel window. Thanks again.